If you're gearing up for emergency preparedness or camping, the Kelly Kettle is the most valuable piece of equipment you can own. Your Kelly Kettle can boil 1 liter of water in just a few minutes using natural fuel. Your kettle will allow you to quickly purify water for drinking, rehydrate food, or simply cook a meal. Whether you're a backpacker, fisherman, hunter, or emergency prepper, after one use, you'll know that the Kelly Kettle is a must. The specific design of the kettle allows you to start the fire and keep it burning in windy or rainy conditions. It's so easy to boil water and cook food all at the same time. The Kelly Kettle provides the ability to stay warm on a cold night, feed yourself properly with a variety of foods, stay hydrated, stay clean, and stay alive. The Kelly Kettle is simple to use with only 2 main pieces, the kettle and the fire base. Gather a small amount of natural fuel, fill the kettle with water, fill the fire base with any flammable material, place the kettle on the fire base, start a fire in the fire base, adding additional twigs and pine cones, etc. into the chimney. In a matter of minutes, you'll have boiling water for a hot drink or to hydrate food. Add a cook set and get breakfast going. The kettle does it all at the same time. The Kelly Kettle comes in 3 sizes: Trekker, small; Scout, medium; Base Camp, large. Each one available in aluminum or stainless steel. The variety of sizes means that there's a Kelly Kettle stove out there for everyone. Your Kelly Kettle is great in an emergency situation or just to have a hot drink on a camping trip. Purchase your Kelly Kettle today. Dependability, reliability, the ability, boil water, cook fast, and survive. Kelly Kettle, outdoor life enjoyed.